Not everyone is going to be an entrepreneur, not everyone desires to be an entrepreneur, but everyone can benefit from the process of entrepreneurial thinking. And what we want to do is to really be able to package that in the form of an innovation lab that allows many people, many organizations, many institutions to be able to benefit from what we do here at 10 Habitat. The Spark initiative is really us harnessing collaborative innovation by bringing together the brightest minds and creative thinkers, and then marrying them with entrepreneurial principles and using startup methodologies to help solve some of the systemic national issues and even go after the toughest corporate technology design and marketing challenges that many of our consumer brands tend to face.
We really believe that thinking differently is at the beginning of creativity and innovation. You can't really have innovation without first thinking differently.
But as an engineer, you tend to think of things and develop concepts that people don't really touch with every day. Like, people don't think about where their water comes from. People don't think about where their energy comes from. People even don't think about where their food comes from. So in most cases, we just turn on a switch and hope that it comes to us, or we go and we buy it.
10 Habitat's environment is important because they're all about innovation. They understand the uniqueness of even how you address certain, what we may say, major problems. So they have the way to support persons who have that unique edge or may that, idea and say, okay, how can we develop this? How can we grow this into solving this problem?
It's a belief we share that in order to spark innovation, we need to bring diverse teams and thinking together.
Thinking differently and starting a business forces you to believe that there's more than one answer. There's not one right way, one wrong way.
I think collaborative innovation is important because you get different ideas. The different ideas in the table create a whole different person. And that person is something unique that you can't get on your own. With that, you tend to come off with a different team feeling and spirit, which is energizing, that you don't get other places.
We need to be able to bring everybody with us and be inclusive. Otherwise, we're basically not making any headway.
How can we create innovative solutions that address problems in an intelligent way, but also makes lives better in the process?
Our healthcare system, the socioeconomic burden is staggering. If you look at the statistics, right now we have about 25% of the adult population has at least one NCD, or one non-communicable disease, and about 75% would have at least one risk factor. I mean, imagine a healthcare system where we focus on wellness and prevention. Imagine a healthcare system where we reduce persons or decrease the amount of persons being admitted to the hospital.
What I'm trying to achieve is an understanding that you can access an energy market that you did not have before, that the profit that is derived from generating electricity does not have to go out of the country.
We're aiming to build a modern community that is geared towards community inclusion, climate resilience, and a lower cost of living and working.
By remixing diverse ideas, you will always come up with something new.
We'll start to spark innovation.